So I am currently home from school. I took a long ass nap, a very long nap, and I'm tired. But I will have to get my butt up and start working because I literally have a midterm on Wednesday, and it's currently Monday at 6 p.m. So that's just wow. Anyways, I have 2 days to cram. I still haven't made my to-do list. I will be making my to-do list right now, and I'm gonna have a very, very long study session tonight, and hopefully I get through most of my practice questions for physics, and I get through like one chapter of my homework because I have 3 chapters that to do tomorrow, and I haven't even started, so that's really fun. I'm gonna shower first, then I'm gonna write my to-do list first, and then shower, and then study. I'm like doing everything I can to just push off studying because I just don't want to, but we will figure out a way. Well, I will figure out a way, but you know what? If you guys are studying out there, I just finished showering, and this is my stuffed animal. So he's my study buddy, and he can literally help with my posture. Literally, I just put him here, and he helps with my posture position. Anyways, I just got myself a little snack before dinner. So I got these little cookies, these French cookies, Trader Joe's Trader Joe's Cheeto Puffs things, and then these fruit rolls that are like really healthy. So yeah, I'm gonna start studying now. I am currently getting really tired. It's only 10 p.m. and I've done like 90% of homework 3, and then I'm starting on chapter 23, midterm practice questions. I'm just super tired. Ugh. I think I'm gonna make myself a coffee or get an energy drink. I don't know which one, but yeah. I'm also watching little YouTube videos that are gonna help me stay awake and motivate me to study because I'm so tired. Oh my god. So much stuff. Jesus. And this was like the second trip. Oh my god. Hey guys, so I'm currently back from moving out of my old apartment into my parents' place for now. I am so tired. Like, when am I not? But I'm a mess. My hair's a mess, but it's okay because I'm probably just gonna stay home today and just relax and chill for a little, and then probably do my physics lecture. So yeah. I basically moved from my old apartment to my parents' place because my lease was ending, but I never really lived there, so I just like kept that place as a storage like unit. But I will be moving back to a new apartment in like a month, so I'm quite excited for that. So yay. But yeah, that's probably my plan for the next month. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I shall see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.